In this video, I will show you how you can design a transparent header for your Shopify store. So first of all, make sure to create a copy of your current theme. Whatever theme you are using, it is going to work the same way. Now after creating a copy, you just need to click on this edit code, and then you just need to click on this sections, and then you just need to search for header section, which is going to be right in this place, header.liquid. Now you just need to click the link in the description below, and you just need to copy all of this Google Docs code file. Once you copy, you just need to click on the first one, hit enter one time, and you just need to paste the code and click on save on the top right corner of your screen. And once you have saved this, you just need to click on this customize theme, and once you are in the customized theme, this is how it will going to look like. Now you have a transparent header. Now if I click on the header, you just need to make sure that it is set to none for the sticky header. Click on save and you are good to go. So that's how you can make a transparent header in your Shopify store.